Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this 2017 Ford Mondeo. You see here, that's the home screen, which you can click by just clicking the home button on the steering wheel, and then you've got settings over here. So if we click settings, it brings up these boxes here, and we're looking for Bluetooth. So click Bluetooth, and you've got add Bluetooth device and view devices. Oh, also, if you're having trouble pairing, make sure that is switched, Bluetooth is switched on. So we'll just switch that back on, then click on view devices. It's showing my phone there. What we need to do is click on that, and then it's giving you the option to connect the phone, connect as media, or delete. We want to delete it. Delete Barry's iPhone, yes. That's it gone.